Grok, created by XAI, is an AI chatbot focusing on truth-seeking and accelerating scientific discovery. Unlike ChatGPT's neutral, polished responses, Grok offers direct, sometimes contrarian answers, challenging mainstream views with humor and reason. Grok integrates with X for real-time insights. Grok's deep search mode, unique for researching current events or niche topics, pulls web and X data to create cited reports, though it's limited by source quality. Compared to tools, deep search shines for social media analysis but isn't as deep for specialized data. We can access it via Grok.com, X, or mobile apps with an API coming soon. Free users get limited use while paid tiers unlock deep search, think mode, and more, perfect for research or real-time insights. Deep search and think are specialized modes in Grok 3, designed to enhance its capabilities for specific types of queries. Let's try out with an example. I want to know, what is the recent public sentiment on tariff policy news around the world? Deep search mode acts like an AI-powered research assistant, enabling Grok to scan the internet and X in real time to gather and synthesize up-to-date information. Its think mode focuses on internal reasoning, using Grok's pre-existing knowledge to break down complex problems step by step without fetching new data. It's designed for tasks like solving math problems, coding, or analyzing abstract concepts, displaying a transparent chain of thought process. Think mode mimics human-like problem-solving, correcting errors and exploring alternatives, making it valuable for educational or analytical tasks where logic and precision are key. Deep search is ideal for queries requiring current data, such as news, market trends, or in-depth research, delivering detailed reports with cited sources. Deep search is best for well-defined, data-rich topics with ample web and X coverage, but it's not a replacement for expert analysis or primary research. Users should verify outputs, especially for high-stakes decisions, and tailor prompts to avoid vague results. It is best for tracking public sentiment, example, X reactions to a tech launch, or researching niche topics with scattered data. X integration makes it unique for social media analysis. And that's a quick look at Grok AI, a bold new entry into the world of conversational AI from Elon Musk's XAI. Let me know in the comments how Grok compares to ChatGPT or other tools you've tried. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.